Hi there, hello everyone. Welcome to lesson 2B. I said in lesson 2A that we are learning the 15 basic consonant sounds. And so in lesson 2A, we did the first 5 consonant sounds. And so in this lesson, we are going to learn the other 5 or the next 5. Note that whatever I said about sound learning still is very relevant. So treat our lessons with all the seriousness that you can. And I promise you that in no time, you would be reading and speaking in Asante Twi. Alright, so let's begin. Our last sound in our last session was so the next sound is seen in words such as kenten. Another word, krataa. Another word is ka. The next consonant sound is in simfua ewo energy or words that have this sound is lorry. Let's see another broad word from the English language, which is letter. But remember that in spelling letter, we spell it using the letters in Asante Twi. So letter. Our next sound after is seen in a word such as mmofra. Another word, amango. Note that I said the sound can be in the beginning, the middle, or end of a word. The next sound after is So note the difference. We have where you close your mouth to make the sound, and we have where you have to open your mouth to make the sound. Words with this sound include nenchie. Another common word, insuo. The last sound in this set is pa. So taking air and bring out the sound. Words with this sound include pano. Another word, pra. Another word is pintua. Let us go through these 5 sounds again. The first one is k. And make these sounds, and I assure you that at the end of all our lessons, you will be reading and speaking Asante Twi. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in our next session.